If I was walking, the pain would get up to 6 or 7. Now it's around, most it'll get to now is about 1. Now we've walked up to 2 miles. It's just, and I'm still not out of breath. And I've noticed the discomfort in my hips is gone. I also noticed that my left eye from macular degeneration was dead straight on. I had no vision in it. Now I'm getting vision in that eye. And the only thing I've done different is take the stem cell therapy. Yeah, they had me on 4 different breathers, and they were putting me on oxygen. I was at the point they said they had to put me on oxygen because I couldn't get my breath. And now I'm not taking the oxygen, plus I've got rid of all 4 of the breathers. Yeah, my diabetes, I'm using less of my insulin now than I was, and maintaining. My last A1C was 5.5, and the one before, about 3 or 4 months ago, was 6.1. So the A1Cs have really improved in the last 3 months. I'd say if you've tried everything else and it hasn't worked, come do it. There is nothing to fear from it. We can't find anything that's bad. You know, everything that's happened to me has been good, I'll put it that way. The freedom just to walk around is worth the money, you know, instead of sitting at home all the time.
One of the major things I've seen with Wayne was that before he started his stem cells treatment, his left lung was basically non-functional. It didn't work. Now his left lung works, his lungs are clear, there's no wheezing in his lungs. His diabetes is easier to control. His eyes are improving. His left eye was, for 10 years, hadn't been able to see out of his left eye because of macular degeneration. He does have some vision there now. So it's been a positive impact on his life. Definitely.